We are in day 4 of using a chair as a workout piece of equipment. Okay, remember though, make sure your chair is strong and sturdy so it can support your weight. Though in today's workout, we're going to be focusing on our forearm and wrist strength. That's right, you can do that just by sitting down. You don't have to be standing up to do this. Hooray! Okay, let's begin our low intensity interval training workout where we move our wrist for 45 seconds, then relax them for 15 in 5 rounds. Are you ready to make some moves in minutes? The workout begins in 15 seconds. So we're gonna put our elbows on our knees like so, close our fists, relax them, and curl our fists towards our body like so. Yep, that's it. And curl. We're gonna repeat that and until you feel the end of the range of motion, relax, and then tense your forearms, just like that. In the future, we will be using some sort of weights like water bottles. That's just a little sneak peek to our future videos. We're halfway there. Ten more seconds. Remember to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. All right, now we're going to do the same thing but turning our palms facing the ground, and we're going to do wrist curls in the opposite direction, having our knuckles come towards our body like so. All right, 2, 1. Now bend your forearm, your wrist I should say, and relax them. Oh yeah, I remember to keep our back straight. I forgot to do that myself. Remember, we don't have to be perfect. The most important thing is we're moving. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now wipe that sweat away because I am sitting in a hot room today. All right, now relax your arms to the side, and what we're gonna do is clench our fist and release them. Clench our fist and release them. 3, 2, 1. Clench the fist, release. Clench the fist, release. That's right, we're taking it nice and relaxed on our body, but we're putting pressure on our forearms. Squeeze. You can do it as slow or as fast as you want. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now shake it out. I gotta itch my nose. Sometimes I get really itchy noses. Do you? Ugh. All right, now we're gonna do the opposite thing, okay? Relax our arms by our sides, and we're gonna close our fists and flex our fingers as far as we can. And flex our fingers, relax. Flex your fingers, relax. That's what we're doing. And we're halfway there, and super important to remember to breathe as well. Really focus on your breath as we're doing these exercises. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now, in the final one, we're going to relax our elbows back on our knees, and we're going to close our fists. Not clench them, just close them, and we're going to rotate them inwards and outwards. Inwards and outwards. 2, 1. Rotate, rotate. We're going to do it in a smooth motion. Oh yeah, keep your back straight. We're halfway there. Yeah, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Good job, everyone. If you went through that entire exercise without stopping, oh yeah. Wrist and forearm strength is one of the things we neglect, and we need to remember to focus on strengthening them, even if it's just once a week. If you like that workout, hit the like button. If you don't, you can hit the dislike button. That's okay. Leave in the comments below how you felt during that workout, and subscribe for more workout videos. If you feel like you can do more though, remember, check out my other videos for extra exercise. Bye!